Hi everyone. Today I'm going to take a look at the Video Manager feature in YouTube. Video Manager stores a number of tools you can use to organize and monetize your content. Let's get started. Videos lets you view all your YouTube videos in one place. You have various filters available, as well as a search bar. You can easily tell if a video is monetized, the visibility settings, and how many views it has had. A summary of comments, likes, and dislikes is also present. If you have an unpublished draft, you can publish it from here. Checking the box next to any video gives you a range of actions, including monetization, changing the privacy or licensing settings, deleting a video, and more. You can also add the chosen video to any of your playlists. The drop-down menu beside each individual video gives you more options for that video. The first 6 are for editing your video and will appear across the top of the page anytime you are in editing mode. Info and Settings allows you to edit basic information and settings. Don't forget to check the advanced settings. There are a lot more options here. Enhancements gives you some autocorrect features. You can also add filters and choose to blur faces for privacy. In audio, you can edit and add to the audio track. Annotations, cards, and subtitles and captions are powerful tools for customizing your videos. I'll check them out in a later video. Download and delete do exactly what they say. Promote allows you to create an ad campaign. Monetizing your YouTube account is important, so I'll look at that in more detail in a future video. Playlists are an easy way to sort your videos. If you share your account with family, you might want to give each member their own playlist. If you use your YouTube account for business, you can use playlists as folders to keep similar content together. The Video Manager is a handy tool for staying organized and finessing your videos for better monetization. I'll look at other features of YouTube in future videos. Thanks for watching.